So students, like the last video, what we did in the last video, in this video we will try to do the same thing with a GP. Okay, so if I only have to insert one term, then there's nothing much to worry. I can just use geometric mean. I can write G1 is equal to root of AB. But suppose I want to introduce multiple terms. For example, now only I have to insert 4 terms, for example. Then I have to do something else. So now one thing that we need to remember is what we are trying to make by inserting new terms. What we are trying to make is a GP. That means there's a common ratio, right? That's what we are trying to do. G1 by A is equal to G2 by G1 is equal to G3 by G2 is equal to G4 by G3 is equal to B by G4. Now this common ratio I am going to call by the letter R, as we already did till now. So this formula, this B, I can write it as A into R to the power 6 minus 1, because there are that an is equal to a to the power, an is equal to a into r to the power n minus 1. So in the same way I can say that b is equal to a to the power r into b is equal to a into r to the power 6 minus 1, because 1 2 3 4 5 6, a total of 6 terms. Now this a into r to the power 6 minus 1, I can write it as a into r to the power n minus 1. Now here there are n terms, right? Totally there are n terms, but the new terms is k. The new terms, total number of new terms are k, like what we saw in the last video. Now what is this k? This k is n plus 2. This k is n minus 2, right? So n is equal to, this is k and this is n, so n is equal to k plus 2. So I can write n is equal to k plus 2. So k plus 2 minus 1 is k plus 1. So now I need to find the formula for R. Like in last video for AP, I tried to find the formula for D. So GP, I am trying to find the formula for R. So I can write R to the power k plus 1 is equal to B by A. Now let's just look at this. If I have 16 is equal to 4 square, that is 16 is equal to 4 to the power 2, I can write 16 to the power 1 by 2 is 4. That is 16 to the power 1 by 2 means square root, same thing, right? So like this itself, this term will be, R will be 1 B by A to the power of 1 by k plus 1 is equal to R. So this is the formula for R. Okay, so if I know this R, then I can find any term in the whole series. For example, A, if I can just multiply A into R and I get G1, then again multiply the G1 into R, I get G2, again multiply G2 into R, I get G3. So it keeps on going like that. Okay, so that's all I'm showing you in this video. In the next video we will go to a different kind of thing. So see you in the next video.